Hello YouTubers, this is Coach D.C. Woods coming back at you with another watch review. This is not an unboxing because I have already done that. This is a presentation and let's see what's inside the box. Behold, there's a watch in the box. And speaking of box, this is your classic yellow Invicta box that comes with the tag, Invicta tag, the pillow which the watch sits on, and the limited warranty in the back here, and your cleaning cloth with the suede feeling watch box. Good for presenting the watch. Let's see what the watch is all about. And behold, this is the Subaqua Noma 3. This is an anatomic watch with the sea dragon and water waves on the side, etched in the side of the watch, held together with pins and bolts that holds this sturdy plastic polymer watch, and it has engraved the classic sea dragon scales on the casing and the silicone band, which is a soft band. It's a nice watch. Also have knurling on the watch, at the knurl on the watch bezel. And on the other side we have the push pins or push buttons for the chronograph and the stopwatch, and has a clasp that covers the crown, and this is for bumping the crown when you're underwater. And by the way, this watch can handle 1,000 meters of deep water. On the face of the watch, you have your chronographs, and under the chronographs you have a translucent face which exposes the date wheel. And when you turn the date wheel or change the date, the wheel spins and you can see it's pretty cool. As you can see, there's the window that exposes the current date. The bezel is unidirectional, and it has these plastic posts on the side of them on the watch. It makes it look classy. Like I said, this is an anatomic watch. Because of this polymer, it makes it a lighter watch. This is gorgeous. Let's see what's underneath. As you see, we have the Subaqua Noma dragon on the bottom. This is model number 0924. This watch is of Japanese movement. It has a 50 millimeter face, and it is 18 millimeters thick. It has a flame fusion crystal which make it scratch resistant, and it is nice 50 millimeter watch. Let's try it on and see how it looks. Before I do that, let's look at the watch of the day. This is my Invicta Venom Reserve Captain American edition. Iron Man edition. Tony Stark watch with a silicone strap. This was my first Invicta watch that I bought. Okay, let's take it off. Boom, there it is. I like the nice beads that accessorize the watch. It makes the watch pop. My wife loved this watch. She wants to wear it, so I guess I have to share it with her. It is a unisex watch, and it is bad. That's a bad boy there. Well, anyway, there's my watch review. If you like it, hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel for future watch reviews, and leave a comment if you have something to say. Talk to you soon. Peace.